Hello, and welcome back to 10 quick tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. So, this next tip is a huge sanity saver for me. What I do is I prepare anything that's going to be a lengthy prompt, I prepare it outside of ChatGPT in something like a Word document. You can see that this is YouTube copy, and I have to give it a lot of details. It can be frustrating to enter this in the small window in ChatGPT, which I'll show you what that looks like. If I paste this here, see how there's a scroll bar and it's this really small window. Another thing that I find that can make it more difficult for me is that I default to using Alt Enter because I've used Excel for so many years, and ChatGPT does not allow Alt Enter. It only allows Shift Enter. So what has happened to me is I would be typing a prompt and I'm not done with it, and just on autopilot I hit Alt Enter, and if I do that, it takes it as a straight enter and it thinks my prompt is finished and it starts answering me and I wasn't done. So I highly recommend when it's a lengthier prompt and you want to put any spaces in between, if you have bullets, write it down in a Word document, or it could be a Google Doc, it could be any other program where you can write a lot of text and see it fully on your screen, copy and paste it into ChatGPT. You will get much better results. If you'd like to see more of our content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. If you need a little extra help learning about ChatGPT and how to leverage it for your marketing, visit technologytherapy.com to partner up with a mentor who can walk you through step by step.